Hello friends. I'm Archie, today's host. Welcome to this podcast episode. As we all know, the usage of oil and gas burners for industrial purposes is very essential. Within the manufacturing line, they provide excellent reliability, efficiency, and minimal pollution. O'Brien Training has collaborated with ELCO to provide its burner solutions across Australia. Every model includes modern features and is entirely electrically controlled. The creative layout provides simple access to burner components, resulting in a faster startup. They include an integrated switch cabinet with a modular design that makes installation so much easier. Their oil and gas burners are easy to use and require less maintenance time and space. Call 1-3007-71759 for any queries. Visit o'brienenergy.com.au to know more. Thank you so much for listening. Stay tuned for more updates.